Windows update failed with error 0x800F0922 core. Your update downloads, starts installing, then fails and rolls back. Here are 10 proven fixes from the easiest to the last resort. Let's get started.
Error 0x800F0922 means the Windows component-based servicing installer pipeline failed. In simple terms, one of the installers inside Windows Update could not finish its job. Microsoft says this could mean your PC could not connect to Update servers, or there is not enough space on the system reserved partition. The most common trigger is a full EFI System Partition, but there are many other causes.
Fix 1. Free up space on the EFI System Partition. This is the #1 cause of error, 0x800F0922. Open Disk Management by right-clicking the Start button. Look for the EFI or System Partition. If it has less than 30 megabytes free, that is your problem. Use a partition manager like Minitool Partition Wizard to expand it to at least 500 megabytes. Microsoft confirmed this was the cause of a widespread failure in May 2026 with update KB589549.
Fix 2. Repair the .NET framework. A broken .NET installation is another leading cause of this error. Open Windows Features by typing optional features.exe in the Run dialog. Uncheck .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8 Advanced Services. Then restart your PC. After the reboot, re-enable both features and let Windows install the files. Then, try Windows Update again.
Fix 3. Run DISM in the System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First, run DISM with the Restore Health option. This scans and repairs the Windows Component Store. Wait for it to complete, then run sfc/scano. SFC will find and replace corrupted system files automatically. Restart your PC when both tools finish, then retry the update.
Fix 4. Reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Stop the Windows Update service, bits, cryptographic service, and the MSI installer. Next, rename the software distribution folder and the catroot2 folder. This clears the entire update cache. Restart all the services and reboot your computer. Windows Update will now download fresh copies of the update files.
Fix 5. Disable your VPN and check your firewall. If a VPN is active during the reboot phase of an update, it can block your PC from reaching Microsoft's servers. Disconnect your VPN completely before clicking Restart. If you use a third-party firewall like Bitdefender or Norton, temporarily disable it during the update. Make sure SB Chost, AUK-EXE, and WOL listed in your firewall settings.
Fix 6. Enable the App Readiness service. This service configures apps during the finalizing stage of an update. If it is disabled, the update can fail and roll back. Open the Services Manager by typing services-sc in the Run dialog. Find App Readiness, right-click it, and set the startup type to automatic. Click Start, then try running Windows Update again.
Fix 7. Disable Windows Sandbox. If Windows Sandbox is enabled on your system, it can interfere with certain cumulative updates. Open Windows Features, find Windows Sandbox in the list, and uncheck it. Windows will uninstall Sandbox and ask you to restart. After the reboot, try the update again. You can re-enable Sandbox after the update succeeds.
Fix 8. Delete the corrupted SecureBootEncodeUEFI scheduled task. This is an advanced fix for when the CBS log shows task scheduler failures. First, find and remove any staged update packages using the DISM getPackage command. Then, look up the SecureBootEncodeUEFI task guide in the registry. Delete all 4 registry entries for that task. Reboot your computer and try the update again. This fix comes directly from Microsoft's official troubleshooting documentation.
Fix 9. Perform an in-place upgrade repair. If none of the previous fixes worked, this is your last resort. Download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft's website and mount it. Run Setup of XE and choose Upgrade this PC now. Make sure to select Keep Personal Files and Apps. This reinstalls all Windows system components without deleting your data. After completion, run Windows Update again.
Now let's look at why this error happens.
Error 0x800F0922 is a generic wrapper code that hides multiple underlying failures. The most common cause is insufficient space on the EFI System Partition. Next comes corrupted system files and a damaged component store. Then there is .NET Framework corruption, a corrupted scheduled task, VPN conflicts, the App Readiness service being disabled, and third-party antivirus interference. In enterprise environments, WSUS group policy misconfiguration can also trigger this error.
To prevent this error in the future, keep your EFI system partition at 500 megabytes or more. Do not skip monthly updates, because falling behind increases the chance of complex failures. Always disconnect your VPN before major updates. Create a system restore point before feature updates. And avoid aggressive third-party cleanup tools that can damage the component store.
That wraps up our complete guide to fixing Windows Update error 0x800F0922. We covered 10 fixes, from freeing up partition space to performing an in-place upgrade. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.